Namaste children, I hope all of you are fine. Today I am taking you GK class. That is your third lesson called literature, the popular literature. Do you know children what you mean by literature? Literature means is a piece of writing that is valued as work of art. For example, novels, poems, short stories, plays, etc. are called literature children. What is the purpose of reading all this in your life? We will see some aspects. Reading every day creates lifelong readers, teaches children to find adventures, ideas, and answers through books, strengthens relationships, and creates memories as a family activity, opens doors through which children can learn about themselves, builds a diverse vocabulary and strengthens fluency in reading, allows children to imagination and creativity to blossom, gives children the tools needed to become successful students, takes the scary out of the reading in the classroom, helps children make connections to new places, people, and concepts, awakens children to the world around them. All these are the aspects which helps children by everyday reading different kinds of literature, textbooks, novels, poem, etc. Children. In your textbook, we will see what are the popular literature. Okay, reading is a dreaming with eyes open. Open an interesting book and suddenly you are in another world altogether, flying on broomsticks, fighting pirates on the open sea, or talking to giants. When it comes to popular literature, there is so much variety. Children, if you are a readers, you will get so many variety of books, novels, and poems to read for entertainment and build up your knowledge and know your surrounding world. In your textbook, fact file is given. Roald Dahl planned to write a third Charlie Bucket book. Charlie in the White House. He died before he could complete it. Means Roald Dahl planned to write a third Charlie Bucket book. Before completing it, he died, children. Fact file second. Hans Christian Andersen, when staying in hotels, always carried a coil of rope with him in case he needed to escape from a fire. Means this writer always carried a rope with him because he thought if fire caught anywhere, he can escape from that rope. Here one question is asked, children. The Cat in the Hat was written by who? It is a novel. Here three options are given. Dr. Seuss, Hans Christian Andersen, Roald Dahl. It is written by children Dr. Seuss. Now let's see, children, where is the word literature is taken. Literature is a term used to describe written and sometimes spoken material, derived from the Latin word literature, meaning writing formed with letters. Literature most commonly refers to works of the creative imagination, including poetry, drama, fiction, non-fiction, and in some instance, journalism and song. Means different kinds of writings in different forms is called what, children? Literature. Okay, now let's see. Willy Wonka. Summary. Charlie Bucket means one boy lives on the outskirts of town with his poverty, means poor family. He with his parents and grandparents. Each day on his way to school, Charlie passes the best and biggest chocolate factory in the world. When he used to go to school daily, he was come across the biggest chocolate factory in the world run by who? Secretive Willy Wonka. Secretive Willy Wonka had a biggest chocolate factory in the world, and the poor boy always used to pass through that factory. Understood, children? Now let us see. People with hairy toes or feet sometimes refer with self-deprecating humor to their feet as hobbit feet. Hobbits are likable characters with large hairy feet and toes from J.R.R. Tolkien's epic fantasy novels. In his novel, the character comes what? Hairy feet. means hobbit feet. Understood, children? This is the one of the character come under the J.R.R. Tolkien's epic fantasy novel. Okay, children? Let us see another writing of J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series. A Muggle is a person who lacks any sort of magical ability and was not born in a magical family. Muggles can also be described as people who do not have any magical blood inside them. Means Harry Potter is the novel full of magic, children. You had seen the series of Harry Potter movie in theater or in your home, children. It consists only a magical aspects. Means in the story, those who are not come under magical aspect and they are not non-magical, they are called muggles. Understood, children? Let's see different novel. Mallory Towers is a series of 6 novels by English children's author Enid Blyton. Blyton wrote 2 other series about boarding school life, the St. Clair's and the Naughtiest Girl series. Children, Mallory Towers is a series of 6 novels. Means it book contains series 6 novels. When English children's means this novelist wrote novel for children. His name is Enid Blyton. Now let us see Enid Blyton's Mallory Towers and St. Clair's mark their 70th and 75th anniversary this year. Here is a look at the series. For 70 to 75 years, children over the world have indulged themselves in the life in the English boarding schools. Means it explained the life of children in boarding schools, means hostels. Now headmaster Harry Potter school contain who are those? Harry Potter Wiki, Albus Dumbledore, Harry Potter Wiki, Armando Dippet, Harry Potter Wiki, Finance Nicholas Black, Harry Potter Wiki, Severus Snape, Harry Potter Wiki, Tom Riddle, Harry Potter Wiki, main page, Harry Potter Wiki. Children, these are the some names of the headmasters of Harry Potter Story School. Understood? These are the different names. Now, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a 2005 American musical fantasy film directed by Tim Burton and written by John August, based on the 1964 British novel of the same name by Roald Dahl. Means it is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It's named by Roald Dahl. Understood, children? Now let us see Little Women is a 2019 American coming of age period drama film written and directed by Greta Gerwig. It is a 7th film adaptation of the 1868 novel of the same name by Louisa May Alcott. It chronicles the lives of the Marsh sisters, Jo, Meg, Amy, and the Beth in Concord. Understood, children? Now let us see. Charlotte Web is a children's novel by American author E.B. White and illustrated by Garth Williams. It was published on October 15, 1952 by Harper and Brothers. The novel tells the story of a livestock pig named Wilbur and his friendship with a barn spider named Charlotte. Means it is the story of one pig and a spider, children. This is written by Charlotte Webb. American Webb is a children novel. Means characteristics come under this is what? Pig and a spider, children. Now when it is published October 15, 1955 by Harper and Brothers. Written by who? It is written by E.B. White. Okay. The Secret Garden is a novel by Francis Hodgson Burnett, first published in book form in 1911. After serialization in the American magazine set in England, it is one of the Burnett's most popular novels and seen as a classic of English children's literature. Several stage and film adaptations have been made on this novel. Understood, children? It is also based on a children literature. So many serials, magazines and film is made based on this novel. Understood? Now let us see. The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe is a fantasy novel of children by C.S. Lewis, published by Geoffrey Pless in 1950. It is the first published and best known of 7 novels in the Chronicles of Narnia. You might have seen this film in your TV. I think children, among all the authors' book, it is also the most widely held in the libraries. It is vastly published book in libraries. Children's lot of books are published because many children liked this. It is also made a movie. Understood, children? Now let us see. The Chronicles of Narnia, Prince Caspian is a 2008 high fantasy film co-written and directed by Andrew Edson based on Prince Caspian 1951, the second published and a fourth chronicle novels in C.S. Lewis' epic fantasy series, The Chronicles of Narnia. The second book is which children? Prince Caspian is the second book. It is also based by these movies are made children. I hope all these novels are only for children. Many children liked this. Now, Aesop's Fables or the Aesopica is a collection of fables credited to Aesop, a slave. Aesop means a slave and a storyteller believed to have lived in ancient Greece between 620 and 564 BC of diverse origins. The stories associated with his name have descended to modern times through a number of sources and continue to be reinterpreted in different verbal registrations. Aesop's fables: the hare and the tortoise, the ant and the grasshopper, the fox and the crow, the shepherd boy, the lion and the mouse, the fox and the grape, the cat maiden, the miser and his gold. These are the Aesop's fables. Understood, children? The Blue Umbrella is a 2005 Indian drama film based on the novel The Blue Umbrella 1980 by Ruskin Bond. It was directed by Vishal Bharadwaj and started Shreya Sharma and Pankaj Kapoor lead roles. The music was understood, children. The Blue Umbrella is a Indian drama film. Malgudi Days is an Indian television series started in 1986 and was filmed in both English first 13 episodes and Hindi all 54 episodes based on the 1943 short story collection of the same name by R.K. Narayan. The series was directed by our late Kannada actor and director Shankar Nag. Children. Harun and the Sea of Stories is a 1990 children's book by Salman Rushdie, one of the Indian writer. It was Rushdie's fifth novel following the Satanic Verses. It is a phantasmagorical story that begins in a city so old and ruinous that it has forgotten its name. Means it is a horror story, children. It is written by Indian writer who Salman Rushdie. It is also for children. Today whatever I read out, all novels are for children, only children. These all are written by foreign writers and as well as Indian writers. This chapter contains only writers and their novels named children. So watch this video thoroughly, then only you will understand the textbook, even question answers and the following. Watch this video thoroughly and understand the concepts and writers names and their novels, and these all are only given importance to children. So if you are interested in reading all these textbooks, you can search in Google and read daily and understand the small stories from these novels and improve your vocabulary, children. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.